And what about the role of government in that process? Do you feel that they should have a stronger, more forceful role, a lighter touch? Like, what's that balance been like in that ecosystem?
That's a huge difference between the US and the European playground, because we have a lot of different regulation all over Europe. It's kind of a lot of hurdle. If you want to cross a border, there are different taxes, different social taxes, different kind of regulation regarding data, regarding personal data, compliances. So it's a kind of hurdle. So I think that the role of the government is to make it more simple, to keep it simple, and try to try to make a lot of partnership in between or under the European administration, but in between every state, to make it easier for entrepreneurs to go global, because we know that's a huge market. It's even bigger than the US market, but it's much more complicated because it's not a flat market. And basically we try to turn around all those hurdles, and that's what the government can do. And obviously they can also always increase the attractivity on the HR to attract the best talent from all over the world, from India, from Saudi Arabia, from Chinese, from the US, and of course facilitate everything around the taxes framework, because the taxes framework is seen as very complicated from the US or from China, because there are a lot of framework. So we try to make it easier. And the last thing is, of course, to facilitate what I call the responsible finance, sustainable finance, and to facilitate this kind of investment, which I call the patient capital. Make sure that we can have sufficient and enough long-term capital to finance deep transformation of the environment and the entrepreneurship environment, where it could be at the production level, distribution level, consumption level. We need to change and transform deeply the mindset on the B2B and B2C side, of course. So that's basically what we can do with the government. Is not only to change the policy, but also the culture of entrepreneurship.
Yeah.